Any ornaments you like? I like anything with plaid.
What is plaid?
Like, these are so adorable. I like farmhouse. Or you can bring the cart down here. Anything with antlers.
Nobody gets light without
Little shoes.
Nobody gets light sometimes.
And these are pretty. And just like stick into the tree. Like plaid stuff.
This cloud sounds
Plaid looks like this. These little plaid. I love all of this stuff. It's so cute. So much stuff here. It's crazy. How cute. No. You like it? How cute if you had like a little girl, you can do a cute pink tree. Or if you're my friend Savannah, she'd probably do it too. Some big snowflakes. And for all of those bulbs, it's only 10 bucks. Such a good price. Look at all of this stuff.
like this one.
No, honey.
No.
I have to see. I think we're gonna do gold, silver, and plaid. So yeah, not with pink on it though. Like we can do like the gold,
Gold.
the silver. What?
Gold.
Yeah. Cute. Little antlers. Get it before it's a mess. I think I'm gonna get some of these for the tree. Last year we did the red, but I'm really liking the white buffalo check right now. So, and Colton is drawn to everything that is bright and colorful. We could do a little tree in your room. You have one, so. And they have so many Christmas lights if you need lights. Literally rows and rows, and even all the way over there too. Obsessed with all of this stuff. Oh my gosh, they have so much good stuff, and the price is so affordable. It's crazy.
Got my ornament.
It's a cool one. Very cute. Yeah, look at all of the ribbon. Oh my gosh, I'm getting some of this for the Christmas tree. As long as it's like if I can wrap it. Oh my gosh, so pretty.
I want this one.
You already have a stocking. So much if you want to do like ribbons, ornaments with letters on them. I love it. Looks so good. I'm gonna get a couple of these just to make sure I have enough. So, got going on. Oh, cute. Letters, skirts. Yeah, we have all those already. How cute is all this stuff? And then there's more ornaments if you guys need ornaments. And again, I'm at Walmart. Literally so much stuff.
Literally so huge. Hashtag huge.
Hashtag huge.
Dang, it's not a YouTube.
How cute for a little girl. I don't think that goes in this section. Look at this owl.
Who comes down the chimney late at night? Who gives every heart a lift to Santa? Who is pulled by reindeer on his flight? From house to house you go, putting on his.
Oh yeah. We didn't blow ours up last year. We'll need to do that this year. And then Just more stuff for your tree or to decorate, and more ribbon. Excuse me. So gold, I think I'm gonna do gold, silver, black, and white. $96, they have all of these signs you can get, put in your front yard. Okay. And another aisle of a bunch of stuff. Ornaments, little trees. I love these bottle brush trees. I got a bunch last year. Well, so much stuff. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. This is so stinking cute. Like, do I need this? No. Do I want it? Yes, I do.
Big present?
No.
Huh?
No, you don't need that. Yep, it's really cool. Merry Christmas garland. $7.98. What, baby? Oh yeah, like the clings for the walls or the windows. Dad will never let us do that again because ours got stuck. It didn't come off. And then some more decorations.
Yes?
Who is on his merry way? It's Santa.
These signs are amazing. $17.92, and they're huge. As well as more of the bottle brushes or bottle tree things. Some more signs. A big happy holidays. That one's really nice.
As Saint Nick or Père Noël, and once a year he'll go.
Here are the wreaths.
Who makes every Christmas gift? It's Santa.
And we have one more aisle. This is crazy. And I'm trying to do it fast so this video isn't insanely long, but you have Christmas signs outside, skirts, the blow up stuff that Colton loves. We got some last year and we never put them up. So I think that we need to put them up this year, but they have so many and they start at $14.98. Train set, that one's really cool. Even this express train set is so cool. I love it. Some light up Christmas trees. Yeah. Flocked white tree. We have a traditional green tree that we use every year that I got from my parents. And then over here is some outdoor stuff. Some lanterns. Like, look at these lanterns. They are everything. I love them. Colton with the signs. So, I don't know. More trees. And then we've finished this aisle here. And then there's just some more over here. Oh, you would like those. Really colorful bulbs.